Albert Einstein was see insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. This quote reminds us that if we want change, we must take new action. Repeating the same behavior will only lead to the same outcome. So, if something in our life is working, we need to speed back, reflect, and try a different approach. That is how we'll grow, learn, and improve.